Yo, listen to me. Listen, if you listen to me, if you comment shit in my live, me I go block you. They they comment shit. They comment shit style. So I'm not, bro. I'm not gonna roll over like a dog or a mat and let nobody come and talk shit and walk over me. You crazy? I don't care who you is. So let me tell you, if you disrespect me, guys, right? Stroll on. You're not gonna come in here and disrespect me, guys, because I'm not disrespecting you guys. You guys, my shit was positive. You guys draw me out to this. So if you don't want to be here, unsubscribe, go bye, because somebody else will. In life, you're gonna get eight. Ain't everybody your cup of tea is not somebody else's cup of coffee. So somebody may like you, somebody may not like you. If you believe in this world that everybody gonna like you, that's where you go wrong. Okay? I got daughters. I got daughters. Man, go suck your mother. Mama just block you. Mama just block you. I got daughters. I got daughters. I got mom. I got aunts. Okay? And I respect women. Okay? I respect guys. I'm very respectful. Okay? Do unto others as you like them do unto you. Do unto others as you like them do unto you. And a matter of fact, I'm not even talking no more on this topic. I'm not issuing no apology to nobody. The only person get apology is to my real followers, the one that respect, and I know they don't use to me like this. Okay? And I did put an apology on my thing. But I will not let nobody come in there and talk shit, and I don't put them back in their place. I'm not. That's it. Anyway, guys, as I said, we come here to talk about the big show, guys, over there in